Here's how to transfer eFootball 2025 account to another phone. So the first thing that you will do is to open your eFootball account and click the three-line button that you can see at the lower right. Afterwards, you will be redirected on these options. From the options, go ahead and click on the data transfer. After selecting the data transfer, you will see the transfer data link to Game Center account and transfer data link to Konami ID account. What you need to do is to click on the Konami ID account. Afterwards, you will be able to see these users who registered their email address with another Konami app. So what you need to do is to click on that. Afterwards, put on your email or number that is associated with eFootball, as well as the password that you are going to transfer settings with. Afterwards, click on login, and then you have successfully transferred your data to another phone or to another Konami account.